Welcome to Dentulu, your all-in-one dental management app. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the paperless forms feature in the Provider Portal. Start by logging in to app.dentulu.com using your registered email address and password. Once you're on the dashboard, click Paperless Forms from the left side menu. You'll be taken to the Paperless Forms page, where you can view and manage all of the forms you've created. Use the tabs at the top of the page to switch between sent forms, completed forms, COVID screenings, and templates. For each form, you can perform actions such as view, edit, delete, or email. If you'd like to create or customize your own forms, click Do you need help with custom forms to access additional customization options and support. That's it. The Paperless Forms feature helps you create, manage, and share digital forms with your patients, making your workflow faster, more organized, and completely paperless. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Dentulu tutorial.